What's up, guys? Today we're looking at another item in my toy collection. It is not this Peter Rabbit, I don't know what you call it. It's like a basket box tin collection. The World of Beatrix Potter. What year is this made? 1989. This is a very old box. I didn't always used to keep what I'm gonna reveal to you in here. I think I used to keep like cards and stuff. But here we go. Very stiff box. There we go. So here's the what's inside. I don't know if you can guess what's inside. Whoa. Inside is kind of rusted. I used to put crayons and stuff in here. Okay, so if you haven't guessed, this is my Pog collection. So these are the metal slammers, I think you call them. We'll go through them bit by bit. So these are all different brands and stuff like that. Chupa Chups was the one that was the main one. This is a black one, Chupa Chups. This is a slammer, yeah, official Chupa Caps slammer. This is the official Pog one, Waddington. Pog 24, the Hand of Pog. This used to have some kind of glittery green and blue stuff to it, but it's gone now. Here we have another one. Yeah, look, Judge Pog. This used to have like a rainbow effect. Rainbow effect color, like what you see here. It was on there. Next one we have, here we go, look, see this color hasn't worn off yet. It's kind of worn on the sides, but it's kind of this glittery red, blue. Next we have is this. You can kind of see some coloration there. It used to be yellow, green and blue. It's kind of so like Aztec style. Next we have this ghost. I don't know if it's upside down. I think it's supposed to be this way. You can still see some blue and green highlights there. That's that. And then the last one is the same thing, but with this rainbow color. I think that Judge Pog used to look like this. These colors wore down quite easily. And then we have the metal ones, which were very popular in the playground because you could really smack down on the Pogs. Like the rules of the game is whoa, this one's kind of all discolored. Don't know if I can clean that up. I'll see what I can do. There we have another one, Chupa Chups, and I have one with your official sticker. Association Official World Chupa Cap. Chupa Chups. Chupa Chups is the lollipop brand. You used to buy a lollipop and you get, is it a slammer? I think the slammer is quite generic. You get one of these and then a bunch of Pogs itself. Okay, let's run through some of these. As I said, a lot of these are mixed. So this is Pokemon. Oh, cool. This is Wigglytuff. Iggly. I can't really. Igglybuff to Wigglytuff. No? Yeah, there's 3 in there if you can kind of make them out. Jigglypuff. Igglypuff. And then Wigglytuff. Trying to get the angle for Wigglytuff's very tough to get. Wigglytuff. Kind of make it out there. It's pretty cool. Don't remember those. This one we have is Hitmontop. So we have Hitmontop somewhere there. Hitmontop there, and then it goes to Hitmonchan, Hitmonlee. Hitmontop is a bit better there. That's pretty cool. We have Dragonite, not a shiny. Flareon. I don't know, are these official Pokemon? Just trying to read. Yeah, Nintendo. They're published by Nintendo. Vaporeon. Gengar. Jigglypuff. Clefairy. Sandslash. Pikachu. And these are the official pogs. So this is the World Tour version. Just create a separate pile for these. This is the Pog character. He reminded me of Captain Caveman from 60s, 70s. You know, Josie and the Pussycat Dolls, I think. Captain Caveman. But this is the Pog mascot. I don't know if his name is actually Pog. Just want to separate these. Or can I? They're all over the place. Just keep them the way they were. This is another one. Official Pog. This one's kind of torn. Some battle scars. Shooting out of a cannon. Jimi Hendrix Pog. Another one. Same ones there. You get a lot of duplicates, but I think for Pog you don't get any sweets or candy or anything like that. You just buy them for these. These were more expensive. I think I have some imitation ones. Same one again. Ooh, this one is cool. Batman. And he kind of glitters. This is an official Pog one as well. This one has this kind of etched look to it. So the Pog character sticks out. Don't know if you can actually see that. You can kind of see that. Well, can you see all the damage it took from playing? This was very popular when I was growing up. We have Scottish Pog. We have Safari Pog with a monkey on a Jeep. Ooh, this one's shiny. Las Vegas Pog. Ah, this is James Bond Pog. Not shiny. This one's shiny. This is Guitar Pog. Lance Armstrong Pog. Don't know if Lance Armstrong was famous back then. Italian Pog eating a pizza. This waterfall Pog. Just move those aside. I still have some more to go through. Okay, Postman Pog. Oh, these are different. Series 2 Pog, 62. Sensors, because he's showing his rear end. Well, not because it's censored. Just Pog playing Pog with his feet. 100% authentic Pog man. Pog playing with hula hoops. Pog in the sky with his tongue tied to something. Oh, like a kite. Like a human kite. Oh, this one was badly destroyed. This is Robot Sing. Hang on a sec. I'm not sure. It looks like SING. It's shiny. Robot. I don't know. But it's a wasp. It's pretty cool. This is another one. Robot Surf. Is it Robot Surf? Oh, it is, because they're on surfboards. Didn't realize that. They're on surfboards. This one's a crocodile. This one is Robot Surf with a rhino. Shiny. Robopog. Take on Robocop. This is Pog smashing a sign. The sign says World Pog Federation. The same one again, a bit destroyed. This is Pog going to treehouse type thing. I don't know what it is. We have Pog playing Pog. Looks like he's double-headed. It's shiny. Same one again. Pog playing Pog. I'm calling him Pog, by the way, if you haven't caught on to that. This one's actually cool. The it says beware of something. Beware of imitation. Yeah, as I said, I did have a lot of fake ones. Pog eyeing up with the slammer. Venice Beach, California. Same one again. American football, Pog. Same one again, a bit destroyed. Well, a bit of damage. Basketball Pog. Baseball Pog. Whoops. US Pog Open. Tennis. And we have this Pog wearing a flowery t-shirt. Yeah, so I guess these ones were unofficial. These Pokemon ones. The ones that came with Chupa Chups, I guess these were the ones that came with it. Not 100% sure. It's been so long. There we have it, guys. This is my Pog collection. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Join us on Discord. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.